Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn programming in C. First, you'll want to set up your development environment. This typically involves installing a C compiler, like GCC, and an integrated development environment, or IDE, such as Visual Studio Code or Code Blocks. These tools provide everything you need to write, compile, and run your C programs. Starting with the right setup makes the learning process much smoother and more efficient, allowing you to focus on the code itself. Once your environment is ready, dive into the core concepts of C programming. Focus on understanding control flow statements like if-else conditions and different types of loops, such as for and while loops. These are essential for directing your program's logic. Next, explore functions, which help you break down complex problems into smaller, manageable pieces. Consistent practice with small, targeted exercises is key to building a strong foundation in these areas. Now, let's move on to some of C's more powerful features: pointers and data structures. Pointers are fundamental for direct memory access and dynamic memory allocation, offering immense control over your program's resources. You'll also learn about arrays and strings, which are essential for handling collections of data. Finally, explore structures and unions to define your own complex data types, allowing you to model real-world entities within your programs. These concepts unlock C's full potential. To solidify your C programming skills, delve into advanced topics and start building projects. Learn about file input and output operations, enabling your programs to interact with external data. Master dynamic memory allocation, which allows your programs to manage memory efficiently during runtime. Finally, the most effective way to learn is by doing. Start with small projects, perhaps a simple calculator or a text-based game, to apply everything you've learned in a practical and engaging way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.